On October the 7th, 2023, the fifth Gaza-Israel war began with the attack into Israel by Hamas. On October 27, Israel began the invasion of Gaza. After that, it literally exploded with conspiracy theories about the conflict. Among the first was a video about Bin Laden's letter to US from 2002 that went viral on TikTok, in which the message was that US was Israel's puppet. Of course, there are flat earthers who have caught on to this trend. I want to start by explaining that I don't defend Hamas' attack against Israel and that I think that Israel has gone too far. This video is not about who caused the war and who are committing war crimes. It's about the spreading of conspiracies. Shortly after the war started, the main conspiracy was that it was economics behind it. Israel, UK and USA was behind it, and they were also behind the explosion in Beirut Harbor 2020 and the explosion of the Nord Stream pipeline outside Sweden in 2022. And many flat earthers love this type of conspiracies. I have previously made several videos about the Christian flat earthers. Yes, it's a conspiracy, but now he have changed his channel name to Yes, It's the Truth. And I did find a video on his channel about the conflict or the war between Hamas and Israel. The title of the video is Why Take Gaza? Follow the money. He haven't provided a link to original video because he haven't made this video. He have no sources for any of the claims in the video. But let's look a short part of this video.
As tensions in Israel continue to grow, news about plans for a controversial megaproject that has been around for decades has resurfaced. At present, Egypt's Suez Canal remains one of the most important waterways in the world, as 10% of the world's cargo ships sail through this strategic route between the eastern Mediterranean and the Red Sea, connecting Europe and Asia. The emergence of a new canal parallel to the Suez Canal could reshape the balance of power in the region and have a profound impact on global trade. It is within this context that Israel's plans to build a new canal to rival the Suez Canal has come to light.
Let's look at the image on Benjamin Netanyahu once more. This was taken in UN the 22nd September 2023, and what he's showing is a map from the 15th of May 1948 when Israel was announced as a country. He's not pointing out a planned channel through Gaza.
The origins of the Israeli canal date back to the mid-1800s, when the British considered the proposal of a canal to the Red Sea via the Dead Sea. In 1855, William Allen, an English naval officer and an explorer, proposed an alternative to the Suez Canal. His idea was that a canal that would connect the three water bodies, the Red Sea, the Dead Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea, would be cheaper than the projected Suez Canal.
He published two books, 1855, and one of them had the title Dead Sea, a New Route to India. The British government wasn't behind that book, and nothing happened with his proposal.
The canal would connect the Mediterranean Sea with the Gulf of Aqaba and thus the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean. The US toyed with the idea of digging a canal opposite the Suez Canal in 1963.
That's also correct, but nothing happened after that proposal.
With its strategically invaluable location, Gaza potentially sits at the epicenter of the Ben Gurion Canal's monumental aspirations.
The politicians in Israel have discussed this several times. It's a crazy expensive project, but you can understand why Israel would be interested. But this is not the reason to the war. If you look at this map from the video, the channel was planned according to the creator of the video on the border to Gaza. This is a classic conspiracy theory. They mixes facts with fantasies. I am convinced that the attack on Israel from Hamas wasn't a hoax, a part of a conspiracy, and I don't think that Israel's attack on Gaza was a part of a conspiracy. Yes, I'm against Hamas, and I don't think that Israel is handling this correct, but that's not my point with the video. Fools like, yes, it's a conspiracy, in other flat earthers and conspiracy nutcases spreads conspiracies that often have a hidden agenda. Another example is conspiracies about the ongoing war in Ukraine. And why do flat earthers present different kind of conspiracies? It's the same explanation for those conspiracies as flat earth. They are lying to us, they want to control us, and so on. Okay, that was all I had for you for this time. It was a bit different video. I will be back soon. Have a nice day. Bye.